we go.
Alright, so let's go down to the performance. Well, it's not a performance timer, it's just a timer. There it is. Alright, let's give her a launch here. I'll try to hit the... Oh, somebody's pulling out. Well, we can probably do it anyway. They'll be alright. Alright, so I'll try to hit it just as I get rolling here. These houses, this is a nice long straightaway. We'll be able to do it somewhere out here without bothering anyone, hopefully, and without getting arrested again, hopefully. Or we might scare the ducks. They'll be okay though. Alright, so we're in mode, come to a stop, clutch out, first gear, and then you just gotta floor it, like literally push it down as fast as you can. And then it's ready. 5.9 to 60 there. So that's with launch control. And then it's ready. 5.9 to 60 there. Alright. Ready? Well, I thought I hit the button, but I didn't hit the button. That gives you a pretty good idea. 5.9 again.